So first is the fog demo. So in my shaders, I have set fog parameters and send fog parameters, and that's so that if the user sets it, then there will be fog, and then if the user does not set it, then these are my values for no fog. So to see that in action, I used the graphics objects of the cottage for the demo. Okay, so here are the cottages, and here's the fog. Cottage-shaped fog. Okay, and now if the fog parameters are not set, so now the fog is set to start at some range that wouldn't be reached in the demo. So yeah, there's no effect. Yeah, I don't know where, I think I put it at 10,000 range. I don't know where that's at. But yeah, you can still see the cottages. Okay. For the mirror demo, I also just redid it to use the graphics objects. I used the cube. And then to get the light working, to play around with the reflection matrices for the light. Let's see if I can find an example. Oh yeah, so I need to also reflect the position and the normal to get the light to show correctly in the mirror. So yeah, let's go ahead and see that. Okay, so we have the color light shader and the texture shader. So we can see the light reflecting on this side. And I'm going to try to move it so you can see it on the mirror side. And I'm going to try to pause it the way you did in lecture. Let me see if I can catch it. Not that time. Nope. Let's try again. Okay, so right here we can see on the back face of the crate, the light is behind the crate and reflecting on the back side, which on our side we wouldn't see, but in the mirror side, the mirror is reflecting the back of the crate. So the light shows in the mirror. Let me see if I can get it. I'm going to try to let it run and pause again to show that it reflects on the color light shader. Oh, it moved too much. Well, I'll try to catch it again. maybe if I go back a bit more. Let me change the angle. Maybe that'll better my chances. Oh, it just happened, but I wasn't able to catch it. I'll just wait again. There, so that we can see light on the color light shader object cube over there. So yeah, that's my mirror demo. I kind of started a mirror class, but not really. I didn't get very far. I don't know if I'll actually use it in the final project. I think, yeah, it's lower priority because of the other requirements, but yeah, we'll see. And that's it. Thanks.